another react.
What's up, y'all? I'm back with another video. Right now, I packed my clothes already, y'all, for this trip that we going on. It's my mom's wedding trip. She's getting married this weekend. I'm excited. I'm very excited for the wedding. And we're going on this bachelor. We're going on a bridesmaid party, and we're going to Miami, and y'all gonna see what we do there. It's been a long time, but I'm back. My clothes are already packed. I gotta leave at 4 in the morning to go to the airport and get on my flight. Vlog, we are in Miami and we came to this restaurant to get some food from the airport. This restaurant is called Ocean 13.
I think I might get a trip.
I just see vlog. We finally got some type of settled in, and now we're about to get ready. We're about to go somewhere. I'm about to take a shower and then put my outfit on. Well, I'm gonna do my hair, like go over a little bit and then put my outfit on. We're about to go to this place to eat. It's called Bar One. Oh, it's Caribbean food like we had on Kennedy's birthday. Think I'm gonna put some lashes on and I'm gonna take pictures. And y'all gonna see them pictures on Instagram because I don't know if I'm post tonight or tomorrow. But I gotta get my nails done on Friday or either tomorrow. Either one. Nails and toes done because I can't walk down no type of aisle with crusty feet. Look, y'all. This is my outfit, and I don't know if I want to do these shoes. These shoes or my Jordans. I know y'all haven't seen my hair all day. Bob, B-O-B, so they calling you Bob. Anyways, I gotta do this half up, half down because I'm feeling it. This is the other shoe. I really think I'm feeling the Converse, though. I'm ready, vlog, by the way. And I look so cute. So I decided to go with, I really was gonna go with the Converse, but I went with the Jordans, y'all. I went to Squids. You know, probably nigga let me know. Yeah. Hey, Bob. Oh, my shoulder in there.
Hi, Bob.
We're getting ready to go to...
That skirt cute.
It is. Oh, the purse. So, vlog, we made it to the place. The lighting is cute. Okay, I'm behind everybody. They waiting on me right now. It's so pretty out here. Like the palm trees, cute. It's a red carpet. Is it this way? Like, did they come this way? I'm so confused because I was supposed to be walking, but I stayed and made videos. So, let's see. Oh yeah, there is right in here. Oh, not the door locked. So vlog, we back at the house and I'm in this little, it's not a room, but it's a, I gotta put some pajamas on though. Vlog. I'm literally in the bed, about to go to sleep. Look at my edges. I did not wrap my hair. I don't know what's been chewing on me, but I know I'm ate up. Anyways, y'all, so tomorrow I'm getting my nails and my toes done and then my eyebrows waxed. Cause yeah, I'll see y'all in the morning when I get my nails done. Young, I just got a regular French tip and white toes, you know, formal. And I got my eyebrows done. Can you see? I'm throwing this away, y'all. Put my slides back on. But when I get back to the Airbnb, I'm gonna get ready so we can go on this yacht. I'm gonna redo my hair and my shorts. I'm wearing these black shorts though. I already got one piece of the bathing suit on though. But yeah, I'll see y'all when I'm getting ready.
Go get grass, nigga. Go get grass.
Oh, so we switching back?
Hell yeah, that is a plus. Get grass.
No, I thought she was talking about yes.
Yeah, those are cute though.
With curls in it and shit. I dress. I was so scared about her doing my eyebrows. I thought she was gonna do them. Okay, cute. Just got something simple. We're here. We made it.
It's the bridesmaid.
Got the snacks for the boat on deck.
Shit. Yeah, here's my shit. My shit was not this bright.
Everybody got pink, and then white.
Okay, wait.
That's the vibe for today. The light is so good and it feels so good outside.
Hot pink and ass cheeks, baby.
Oh, the snacks, the food look good.
Charcuteries.
Getting our snacks ready.
Sorry, I'm just like pictures first before everything.
About to take pictures, guys. Photographer.
Your boy got the full body do-rag out.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing sissy.
About to get on the jet skis, y'all. I don't think I'm taking my phone. I'm about to take my sister pictures. Then I'm gonna get on the jet ski.
And now you say you're dreaming. Doing it anyway, you're just somewhere.
Y'all, this is the slow zone. We're going slow right now. We're about to turn this thing. Go for the second. We're about to turn it. Yeah.
A coral reef.
Your boy got the full body do-rag out.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing sissy slides both ears.
Oh, I thought Cali girls didn't twerk. I thought Cali girls didn't twerk. Go ahead, go ahead.
Girls don't twerk.
Hey, Cali girls don't twerk. Cali girls. Y'all, we just got back from the yacht to this Airbnb, and look, the ice cream truck is outside. I'm outside with the vibes. Let me stop. Okay. Look at the ice cream truck. It's an ice cream jam. What the hell? Never mind. I'm not getting in. So, got something to eat. It's like 11 something. I know. I also got this crab dip. It's so good. Look. He was like 19. Crab dip.
They put her in an abandoned building and what? And they got him. They got him. So,
Yeah, like they victimized black man kind of thing. Like he was wrong. Spicy. It smells spicy. I don't even know what the inside of this is. Like they didn't say if it was pork or chicken.
you know, in service time.
But because people knew that, they started. The lady was white too. Yeah.
The girl was black.
Yeah, she's black.
It is hot.
In LA, you know, it's supposed to be a big mistake. You weren't even registered.
8:01 and Well, I'm packing up right now to go to the airport to fly to Jacksonville to get my hair done for this wedding. I'm getting a wig put on, get my hair done, and then I just wanted to show y'all the view. The wedding is tomorrow. Yeah, I wanted to show y'all the view of where our hotel is. Y'all hear that plane? So pretty. Look at the lights right there. And then it's so cool. Yeah. But this right here, yeah. That's so cute. Good morning. It's 7:50 something. I'm about to get my makeup done. I'm brushing my teeth right now. Today is the day. This is me before the glam. A little natural. Vlog, my makeup is done. Hair done. Look. The videographer gonna come in here and we about to take videos, I guess, and pictures. Get into the look.
I do need the bridesmaids and people to get dressed as quick as possible.
About to get dressed, y'all. Okay.
Alright?
Put your little flowers in your basket.
My dress is right here.
They're just sitting over there.
Mom, did you see it? Or you drove past it?
Finna open my bridesmaid gift.
Thank you.
Yeah, no, it's straight.
Oh my gosh. Got my name on it.
Celebrity on there.
No, the bride.
Cheers.